guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beach because I thought it would be appropriate to make a beach today because I am going to the beach. If you are going to the beach soon for this Christmas or this winter, leave a beach emoji in the comments down below and tell us where you're going. The things you will need are glue. I'm using clear glue, Elmer's, washable, safe, non-toxic, washi tape, scissors, a popsicle stick, a Sharpie, a plate, and yellow and blue paper. First, you will take your plate and you will take your blue and yellow. Then trace it on either side. Cut it out. Once you are done, take your blue and do the same thing. When you're done, measure it to make sure it fits like you did with your sand. When you're done, tape it down. I'm going to do my ocean first. So I start by taping all the edges. And then I'm going to take little pieces of that color and put them in my ocean. They're going to be waves. Then I'll take my next color and they're going to be more waves. Now I'm going to add the main part of wave, the white and the splash. When I'm at the beach, I like to play in the sand, make sand castles, and also go in the ocean and do boogie boards. In the comments, also leave you if you like the boogie board, play in the sand, ocean, or surf, because I don't know how to surf. Maybe you could tell me how in the comments. Now I'm going to add my little pieces of sand for sand castles. There, now I'm done. So I was supposed to tape it down, but it didn't work, so I'm going to use my glue. I go to the beach with my family, my cousins and uncle and grandparents. And that's who I'm going to Aruba with, and it's going to be really fun because Aruba is always hot. Because Christmas is usually cold, so I get to spend time in the hot sun instead of being in the cold snow. I like to wear short sleeves a lot. There. So an additional project, I just thought I should use glitter paper to make towels, chairs. So we are going to do that. How you make a towel is you cut a rectangle, add it with paper you're using. I'm using black. And you make my ruffles. Now I'm making this for Shopkins. That's why there's so little. But you can make it for any little toy you have. There's my towel. Now for chairs, and I just cut a bunch of rectangles. Then I fold them down, and they make little seats. I'm going to put my chairs just around the sand, a towel in front, which will be this one, and another towel on the side. Now I will take my Shopkins I choose and put them out on our chairs and in our towel. To make my umbrella, I'm going to cut a pink circle because that's what I want my umbrella color to be. I'm going to fold it in half both ways. I'm going to put my paper on my stick. And now, here is going to get some nice shade. Here's the finishing product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Happy holidays, everyone. The Unicraftrs would like to thank our sponsor, Delaney Plaza. Such a nice day at this beach. I know, nothing's sunny. I think I'm going to go over to the water to have fun. Splash! Hey, you got me all wet.